where everyone is connected, we've mastered the art of looking okay. We post smiles, achievements, perfect angles, while hiding the parts of ourselves we're too scared to show. And in this constant performance, we forget that behind every glowing screen is a human being trying to keep up, trying to be enough.
Nag-overtime lang ako sa trabaho.
Overtime? Nambabae ka na naman, no?
Ano nang babae? Pagod na nga yung tao, yung pamadaran lang ko dito.
Bakit? Hindi ba totoo? Alam na alam kang pinaggagawa mo.
Naniniwala.
Sometimes, the brightest screen hides the darkest truth.
It's been a tiring day siguro kung dahil hindi ako natulog ng maayos. So, kasi na-edit natin yung i-release natin na vlog is November 29. Busy-busy yung mga klase natin.
Hi girl!
Girls, scan agad please.
Sawa mo. Taking pictures.
Ang ingay nyo! Hindi ako makapag-focus dahil sa lakas ng tawa nyo. Humor! Bahala na nga kayo.
Makaseryoso naman ang taon to, nakakatawa nga yun.
Oo nga ni.
Di ba boy?
Galing ko talaga.
But what if the connection we relied on suddenly vanished?
Kaya makapost ng TikTok ko.
Tol, wag mo patayin, tol.
Disconnected? Gani, bakit mo pinatay? Run game pa naman kami.
Uy, nawala ng net. Disconnected rin ako, biglang nawala ng net.
Bakit hindi ma-upload?
Uy, bakit hindi na mag-load? Ang nagnaman, no?
Wala rin sa akin. Parang patay na ata.
Attention everyone, this is to inform you that there will be a citywide internet connection down for 24 hours. We are hoping for your kind understanding and we apologize for the inconveniences this may cause. Have a good day!
Ano? 24 hours? Ang tagal naman nun. Paano lang game natin?
Wala ka na, pre. Sagot na tayo dito. Kainis.
Bullets play, magbabala naman rank natin nito.
Ha? Ano? Paano ako magre-review niyan? Pati wala akong masagot sa exam. Patay! No! Ipopost pa sa akin TikTok account ko. Trending pa man din yun.
Same boy, mag-post pa naman sana ako ngayon. Hinihintay na to ng fans ko.
Guys, relax. Maybe it's not that bad.
Please settle down! Ba't ang ingay? Anong kagulo na nangyayari dito? Sir, nawala po yung internet, sir. Ah, yes, I heard about that. Mas mabuti nga yun eh, makafocus kayo sa mga study nyo. So, let's start our discussion. So, sinong absent?
Ito ba talaga pag walang internet? Parang walang sense ang araw ko. Ano ba ginagawa ng mga tao kapag walang internet?
At first, they didn't know what to do. Without screens, there was no distraction. Only themselves, stripped of the filters they'd grown used to hiding behind.
Grabe naman yan. Paano kaya nila yun nag-itiis? Di ba sila nagsasawa sa isa-isa?
Bro, paano na to? Wala na akong mapopost. Feeling ko napaka-useless na ng araw ko.
Buti nga may naghihintay sa'yo. Ako wala. Yung mga nakikita ko sa live, mas gwapo, mas better, mas successful. Sana all, di ba?
Pero real talk bro, Hitlers don't fix insecurities.
Even those who seemed confident carried insecurities quietly tucked behind their cameras.
Insecurities so that they gain confidence. And minsan yun na lang yung pagtakas nila sa reality. Hindi naman lahat ng tao bro perfect.
Alam mo, Pads, nahingi talaga ako sa mga top students
Sometimes, the pressure we feel doesn't come from others, but from the expectations we place on
Alam mo,
ourselves.
highlights lagi yung nakikita mo. Hindi mo nakikita yung mga stress breaks and ulit nila. Kaya don't discourage your hobbies into someone else's edited version.
So, sa tingin mo, may pag-asa pa pala ako?
Yes, hindi naman to racist.
Silence is not emptiness. Sometimes, it's a voice waiting, hoping to be heard.
You're not invisible, Amera. Just that you never asked, so sorry.
Pero guys, to be honest, minsan naglalaro na lang kami para magkalit.
We all escape somehow. Some run to games, others to screens, but rarely to each other.
Walang internet connection pero hanggaan.
Guys, alam niyo ba? Sa lahat ng static feeds ko,
Perfection online often hides exhaustion offline.
pero totoo niyan, wala namang perfect sa buhay ko.
Kaya pala ang ganda ng mga pictures mo. Sobrang effort.
Too much effort just to look good.
Actually, kaya ako lagi nagmihing kasi mas madali kasi tumawag kaysa aminin na hindi ako okay.
Even the loudest laughs revealed quiet truth, and for the first time, they weren't hiding.
Humor na lang ang defense ko.
To be honest, everyone, lagi akong nagpo-post sa social media ng mga motivational quotes. Pero ako mismo, I'm not really okay. I feel like I have to be strong all the time. You don't have to be perfect for us. Not for us. We're aiming for social media. But what if people stop liking me? Lalo na kapag malaman nila ang mistake ko. Then, they don't deserve the review. Pero pansin niyo ba guys? Bakit ba masyado tayong attached sa social media?
Validation.
Comparison. Pressure.
Attention na hindi ko parang offline.
Escape.
Escape rin. Escape.
Perfection.
Guys, technology didn't create our issues. It only showed them. Technology is like a mirror. It reveals the truth that we hide. Good morning, class. Malang, tahimik nyo ngayon ah. Ibang-iba nung kahapon. Tsaka wala na rin gumagamit ng cellphone ngayon ah.
Wala, sir. Hindi mo na ako mag-tiktok ngayon.
Tama rin siguro, sir. We need to rest muna from social media.
Sir, ako rin. Hindi mo na ako mag-game.
Sir, ako rin sir. Sir, ako rin.
Pause social media to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Use the time to reflect, grow, and focus on what truly matters.
Let's stay offline, guys. Kahit ngayon lang.
Technology connects us, entertains us, shapes us, but it also reveals us. Not through what we show the world, but through what we hide. And sometimes, it takes losing connection to finally reconnect with ourselves and with each other. Through Heidegger's lens, technology is not just a tool, it is a way of revealing. In our story, the digital world exposed what each character tried to conceal, their fears, pressures, and insecurities. And when the screens went dark, what was finally revealed was their true selves, reminding us that technology reflects our humanity, not just our highlights.
Mag-assume kayo kung clockwise or counterclockwise. So may tanong pa ba?
Sir, none so far.
Okay, so class dismiss.
Tara.
Tara.
Invite.